submit documents to Shopify for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your submission is complete and meets the requirements. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents required for account approval. This may include identification, business registration documents, and any other relevant paperwork. Step 2. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by visiting the Shopify website and entering your login credentials. Ensure you are using the correct account associated with your business. Step 3. Navigate to the Account Approval section. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Account Approval section of your Shopify dashboard. Look for prompts or notifications indicating that document submission is required. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the instructions to upload your prepared documents. Make sure to select the correct files and check that they are in the required format and size as specified by Shopify. Step 5. Submit and confirm. After uploading, review your submissions for accuracy and completeness. Click the Submit button and wait for a confirmation message indicating that your documents have been successfully submitted. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests from Shopify regarding your account approval status.